We all know how important networking is and how useful it is to know a lot of people. And of course, to know the right people. But alone the word networking sounds sleazy. We instantly think of a very opportunistic person who has no interest in other people but just cares about what they can get out of relationships for themselves. Do you need a coaching? Want to buy my book? Take my card. And even I have to admit that when I started my business, I sometimes did that myself. I would go to an event with the sole goal of finding a new client, an investor, or getting to know someone who might be useful to me. But that attitude is completely wrong. Not only do you seem totally fake and that the whole thing is also morally questionable, but this way you also overlook many people with whom you might have a real long-term relationship. Even if there's no chance of doing business, you might become friends with this person. And that actually doesn't exclude the possibility of some cooperation down the road. So you meet someone, you get into a conversation, and the two of you get along very well. But this person simply doesn't have the need for your product or service. However, if at some point in the future they know someone who does need something from your industry, or if they need something themselves, or if they know about an opportunity that might be interesting for you, they will think of you because they like you. That's why the first rule of networking is don't network. Instead of getting into the mindset of making new contacts, think of it as if you're simply looking to find new friends. And instead of going somewhere only with the intention of trying to get something useful out of it, go there with a simple goal of trying to have some fun. This way, you will not only be more authentic and honest, but also more confident, relaxed, interesting, and as a result, more successful. Hasta la vista, social anxiety. The reason behind this is that although in everyday life we differentiate between business and personal, between colleagues and friends, our brain doesn't. The brain differentiates only between I like this person or I don't like this person. That's why people notice when you don't have genuine interest in them. You simply radiate differently and they perceive you differently, even if it's subconscious. So when going to events to meet people, don't be single-minded. Be open and see what kind of a relationship can develop between you and your conversation partner. Maybe it will be just a funny conversation and you never see each other again. Maybe they do turn out to be your new client or business partner, and maybe they turn out to be your new friend. And with that, you're always in the plus. Write down in the comments below if you have some advice of your own to help other people with their social anxiety. And also, make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you get more tips and tricks like this. Thank you, and have a great day.